Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing some service job to the Toyota Corolla that I bought for my wife. So starting now, the first video here we're starting with changing the air filter. I think could be easy on the engine's air filter. So just start. This is very simple, it's 2 clips and the jump out from his system in the back. Take out the filter. In this case it's not incredibly bad, but it's not nice either. This one I actually put in some more things. Okay, screwed in, yeah. Oh, sorry, it's a corner here, square, supposed to be there. Oh, stupid. Yeah. Just one of the corner here was square. I didn't see it right away, but it's, you know, that is even easier. So then that is very easy. New filter, put in. Yeah, so it's very easy. Just follow, take it out, and the square corner back there, and there was rounded, is one square. I have to be front, I turn it wrong way, and then the clips in here you have to get underneath on both sides. And then the filter was turned the wrong way, didn't get it far enough down in the back end. Now it's fixed. So yeah, new air filter on the engine is mounted. So thank you for watching this video. I have to name them and number it for you, make it easy for people to find the one they want to see. So thank you, hope you liked it. If you do, put a like, please subscribe to the channel and write a comment. Thank you.